Starting off, we're going to need 3 medium carrots. I've chopped them 1/2 inch thick. I've got a very small bunch of coriander or cilantro leaves. I've got 3 cloves of garlic very finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of salt, the juice of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of sweet paprika, you can use regular, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. We're going to start off by boiling our carrots. You put them in cold water, bring them to the boil until they are al dente. In the meantime, whilst they are boiling, we're going to add in our garlic, paprika, salt, black pepper, cumin, lemon juice, coriander, bit of olive oil, give it a good stir, and now back to our carrots. Once it goes through them, not too soft, still a little bit of pressure, I'm going to drain them, let them chill for a bit, and we're going to stir that into our pre-made sauce. And there you have it, folks. It is that simple. This is a lovely, lovely dish full of flavor, quite healthy as well, I guess. And that's about it. So folks, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget, hit the like button, hit subscribe, follow me on here, follow me on TikTok. And if you've got any recipes you'd like me to try of your own, feel free to reach out. Ciao for now, see you on the next one, and that's how you make Moroccan carrot salad.